Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a playlist on SoundCloud. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open SoundCloud. Then just simply choose a song, for example this one. Now play the song. Now all you have to do is now click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and now click on add to playlist. Now after that you will come to this page where you can create your playlist. So all you have to do is just simply click on create playlist. Then enter a name, let's call it test. Then after entering the name, just simply hit save. And after that, just simply click on done. And now if you click on your library at the bottom bar, then just simply go to your playlist. Over here, you can find your playlist. So just simply click on your playlist and all the song that is in your playlist will be listed down over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.